The heart of her husband safely trusts her, so he will have no lack of gain. Highly praiseworthy is your name, upgraded for sure. But let me explain. You saw someone who was worth something with the naked eye. And where the world called him worthless,
all right.
How did you reply? You said, I love him. We got all we need. And what we don't got, we gonna build together. Baby, we went through the hardest of times, but your words never said.
That is
Look
so
at what we
sweet.
have built, an empire of love, wealth, and wisdom. And we still ain't finished. Here comes some millions and then some.
They look so cute.
You deserve it all. You, my love, my heart, my good God.
All right now.
The blessings of the Lord make it rich.
Come on.
And add it no sorrow.
That's it.
You are my blessings. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for showing me. Thank you for 15 years of living, laughing, and legacy. What we have, who we are, is perfect. This is the world can see. Now don't get me wrong. It didn't take 15 years for me to see us here. But 15 years in looks everything crystal clear.
Y'all, when I tell y'all everything was so beautiful, baby, they done put my babies on their church clothes. You hear me? The roses laid out for me.
That's so sweet.
I watched this nice video. He put it together. He wrote this poem for me, did a voiceover and all of this, y'all. I mean, he really went all out, baby. Turned around and this man is on one knee. Baby, what
All right.
for me, y'all, after 15 years, I have a real dream. You hear me?
All right now. Beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's blinging, boy. Ooh, there you go. He did good. He did real good. Bling, bling. I know that's right.
So that's his ring, baby. You would have thought I was Princess Diana. I was waving at everybody.
That cute little wave. That, like that. Beauty tree.
Right on St. George Road, y'all, when I say they
Oh, gold bar. It's okay.
Y'all have to go in there. Let them know they
Entering in red. Okay, I might have to go up in there and never know. All right now.
Family, the time
Shameless.
we
Shameless
have been
plug.
working hard non-stop behind the scenes. I mean, photo shoots, doing studio time, all of it, y'all, so that we can finally release our full album. So we did the EP. It's been 6 years, y'all, since we did that EP. And that EP has did some things, y'all, opened some doors. We made some great connections, worked with some great people since then. But guess what? It's time to take it up a notch. Now it is time to release the full album, a whole album. But now we've got some new members of the group. It's not just me and Greg no more, but the little ones have joined us as well.
Look at
and
that.
If you have our EP, you should remember the track where we featured our little ones. And they have been in training ever since, y'all. A whole family of fur. So what we're asking you guys is that you all help us out. We've come in contact with some dope producers, some great musicians, but we need y'all help. So we're gonna post our GoFundMe. I don't care if it's $1. Anything will help, but we're asking all of our family and friends, everybody who believes in us and believes in the project and the vision that God has given us to help us donate and reach our goals so that we can get this music out, y'all. God has been downloading some good things in us and getting this music out ASAP. So I have attached the GoFundMe link to this post and the link is in my bio. Y'all run it up, help us out, please. And we'll see y'all in concert soon.
All right now. I heard that. All right.
who can find a virtuous wife? And I'm like, I did, and it's done. He writes, for her worth is far above rubies, better than diamonds. The heart of her husband safely trusts her.